Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create the EC2 instance of Linux operating system, which is of type T2 micro. We are going to connect the instance using Putty, which is used for the SSH connections. Putty is an SSH client and which uses the port 22. Go to the AWS console, search for the EC2, go for the EC2 console, click on the launch instance. Name the instance, or you can add the tag. Select the Amazon Linux, which is of T2 micro, and here we have selected Amazon Linux 2. Amazon Linux 2 is the recent version. Under the free tier eligibility, you are having T2 micro instance, which provide the 720 hours of free service for T1, T2, and T3 micro instances, creating the key pair. Here, as we are connecting via Putty, we need to have the .ppk file. So while configuring for the instance, you have to make sure you have downloaded the .ppk file, your key pair file. I am allowing the SSH traffic from my IP, ultimately selecting for the 8 GB of space as a volume, launching the instance. Click on the dashboard. You can see the instance is the pending state. It will be in the running state after a few seconds or the few minutes. In the next step, you can go for the putty.org. Here you can download the putty as per your OS type and the OS architecture. And you can install it on your system. After the installation, you can click on the putty. It has the welcome window like this. In the host name, you have to paste the instance detail about the public IP or your the address space. For this purpose, you can select the instance, click on the connect, and this will be your public DNS record. Copy it, paste it, port 22, and SSH connection is there. Then click on the data. Here you have to paste the username of the instance. In my case, I have the EC2 user. Double click on the SSH. Here auth option is there. You can click on it. From the auth, you can browse for .ppk file that we have just downloaded. And selecting it, click on the open. It will ask for your certificate. If the all the three credentials are proper, your username of the instance, then the address space, and the key should be proper. That is .ppk file. Accept the certificate, and you are connected to the EC2 Linux instance from your local machine using the putty. Here you can fire the commands or practice the commands. You can have the workloads here. And enter the exit command to exit from the connection. And for termination, you can select the instance, go to the actions, selecting instance state, and click on the terminate. In this way, you can perform for the SSH connection using Putty to the Linux type of instances. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.